Rear Immobiliser fit. This is a 2019 R-Bar 595 with a Halo mini immobiliser and a Halo Track Plus tracking and remote immobilisation system. So if a thief gets your key, smashes the window, programs the key, goes to steal the vehicle, it's going to overcrank but not start. So for the customer, ignition on, pop your code in, we get a flash from the side lights, turn the car off and start, and you can drive. As soon as you exit the vehicle, the system becomes active and it's going to need the code again. If this is stolen in service mode, or if someone knows your code, gets in the vehicle and tries to steal it, you can send a command through the app to immobilise the vehicle. So we'll just go to here, pop in the customer's password, press OK. Command successful. Now if someone even knows your code or it's in service mode, they're going to pop the code in, not going to get a flash, they're going to be unable to drive it. It completely locks you out of the system, disables the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Rear Immobiliser fit. It's a Halo Mini with a Halo Track Plus remote immobilisation lockout system on a 2019 595 R-Bar. Thanks for watching.